Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss two sample answers that you can prepare for this cue card along with the explanation in Hindi. So the cue card topic is describe something you own that you want to replace. आप किसी ऐसी चीज का वर्णन करें जो आपके पास है और जिसे आप बदलना चाहते हैं. You should say what it is, वह क्या है, where it is, वह कहाँ है, how you got it, आपको ये कैसे मिला, explain why you want to replace it, समझाएं कि आप इसे क्यों बदलना चाहते हैं. I am sharing two sample answers for your reference. Sample answer 1 is one item I own that I would like to replace is my smartphone, which is currently on my work desk most of the time. I purchased it about 3 years ago from an online shopping platform during a festive sale, taking advantage of a hefty discount. At the time, it felt like a great deal because it had all the feature I needed, a decent camera, good battery life, and ample storage. However, as technology advances at a rapid pace, my phone now feels outdated and sluggish. Over time, it has developed multiple issues. The battery drains unusually fast, even with minimal usage, which forces me to keep it plugged in more often than I would like. Additionally, the performance has significantly deteriorated with frequent app crashes and delayed response times. This is especially frustrating when I need to reply to urgent messages or attend video calls for work or personal reasons. Another reason I want to replace it is its limited storage capacity. As someone who likes to capture memorable moments in photos and videos, I often run out of space. I constantly have to delete files, which is time consuming and inconvenient. Modern smartphones offer far superior storage and performance, making it an appealing upgrade. I am considering buying a new model with a faster processor, larger battery, and high quality camera, given how much I rely on my phone for work, entertainment, and communication. Having a device that runs smoothly would undoubtedly make my daily tasks much more efficient. For these reasons, I believe it's time to part ways with my current phone and invest in a more reliable and modern device. Another sample answer that you can prepare for this cue card is one thing I own that I would like to replace is my study chair, which is currently placed in my bedroom next to my study table. I bought it around 2 years ago from a local furniture store. At that time, I was looking for an affordable option since I had just started preparing for exams and didn't want to spend too much money. Initially, the chair served its purpose well, providing a basic level of comfort. However, as my study hours increased, I started noticing several issues. The cushioning has become flat, offering little to no support, and the hard surface causes back pain after long hours of sitting. The chair also lacks an adjustable height feature, making it difficult to find an ergonomic position. This has started to affect my posture and overall comfort, especially during intense study sessions. Another reason I want to replace it is that the wheels are no longer smooth. They often get stuck, which makes moving around the study space unnecessarily difficult. Sometimes it even feels like I have to lift the chair instead of rolling it, which is quite frustrating. I am planning to buy a high quality ergonomic chair that provides proper lumbar support, adjustable height, and better cushioning. Since I spend a lot of time studying and working at my desk, I believe it's a worthwhile investment. A more comfortable chair would not only enhance my productivity but also improve my physical well being, preventing any long term health issues like back pain. For these reasons, I feel that upgrading my study chair is both a practical and necessary decision. This is all about from my side. I hope these two sample answers help you prepare for this cue card. If you want any another story first, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, guys.